Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today in this section we are going to discuss about how to create a purchasing group. First we are going to, here this is the GUI screen. We are going with the T code SPRO. Here click SAP reference IMG. Under the reference SAP implementation guide, you can see here material management. Click on material management. Under the material management you can see some options. You have to click purchasing. Under the purchasing you can see here create purchasing groups. Click on create purchasing groups and we have to create a new one. If you already created, you can see here with click on position tab and give your purchasing group here and you can see. So we are going to create a new one. So create with new entries. I am given this number as 222. Describe purchasing group is I am given as OTTO UR group 2. I am given here as auto purchasing group. If you have telephone number of the purchasing group, you have given here fax number and given here telephone number also. You can create a number of purchasing groups. I am creating just one for your understanding purpose. You can create a number with the same procedure. Now we are going to save this. Click the save icon and we are going to create a new prompt request. Here I am given as auto purchase group creation and save. Here you can see data was saved. Here now we are going to see our created purchase organization. Click on position. Our purchase group number is 222. Enter. You can see here 222, or you can go back. Click on position. Give your purchase group number. I am given. You can see here auto purchase group 2. I hope guys you understand how to create a purchasing group. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support.